Apple lawsuit here shows the company's extreme focus on secrecy, which that's kind of in the same, kind of like what we're talking about with the VPN. Apple, big privacy people.
Yeah, their doors are always closed.
Privacy company. That's right. Actually, the door automatically closes.
Yeah.
On all the bathrooms in Cupertino.
No one's smelling Tim.
No, you're not even, it's not impossible because you walk through the door, it's like Star Trek. It just sealed, airtight.
Yep.
That's how Apple likes to operate. I mean, every so often you have some sort of a hack or something, but very rarely. They just can't stop talking about privacy. And one of the ways in which they're incredibly private is around their employees and the sharing of information around upcoming products. Like the secretive nature extends beyond the end user and what you're getting inside your software and to how they operate even internally.
Yeah.
Like it's very intense. Anyway, they sued a former employee in federal court in California on Thursday, alleging that he passed trade secrets about unannounced products to a member of the media. Was it you, Will? You catching those trade secrets?
It was either me or Ming Chi. One or the other. I can't confirm.
Or it's the same guy.
Uh,
I mean, I'm just saying, we didn't see those people in the same place ever before. That's what people say.
Yeah.
No, of course there's Ming Chi and it's not Willie Du, but Willie Du could very well be this member of the media. I don't know. He could be under investigation. Apple refused to name the media correspondent. However, if it is one of those big time leaker types, you could imagine that now that funnel could be shut off. The river flowing with the trade secrets and upcoming products and things like this could make leak life a little harder. But I'm sure they got multiple sources.
Yeah.
I'm sure they got other ways to go with it. It's so hard with a company the scale of Apple. Keep everything under wraps. So many employees. Yeah. So many different regions.
Quite impressive, actually.
So many contractors working on behalf of the thing, and it's just... Anyway, so they take a step further, and one of these things is, look, Apple, they don't need to sue this. They don't need this money or anything like that. This is to send a message. You're going to be ruined if you mess with us. You think you're going to break our agreement, NDA, whatever it is. You think you're going to break our agreement, talk to the media, and then it's not going to hurt you? It's not enough to just fire you. We're going to sue you. And it's within the realm of their capability because the individual signed the agreement that was part of the rules of working there. But now this sends the message to everybody else. This reminds me when Wesley Snipes went to jail for tax evasion. You know who Wesley Snipes is?
Yeah.
Blade? Yeah.
Sure.
You like that reference? He, I don't know.
Thinking Demolition Man.
Sure. I just remember reading that around that time, there were people saying, wow, these Wesley Snipes, he'll pay a fine. They're not going to make him go to jail, or it's not going to be so severe as punishment. And then all of a sudden it was severe, the punishment. And people started to say, okay, maybe they're trying to send a message because now they have a high profile example. And so it works in both ways that they're able to punish the individual and send a message to anybody else thinking of doing something similar. In November of 2019, Aris Composites announced that it had hired Lancaster. This is the individual being accused. Apple considers details about unreleased products to be important trade secrets because they're a core part of the company's marketing aimed at creating surprise and delight. Well, that can't happen when you have a leak. There goes your surprise and delight. Apple product teams work in complete secrecy, often for years. That would be tough. You don't even tell your family what you're up to. You don't even, it's pretty wild. Secret Apple information. I remember reading even inside the company, you couldn't talk to people that were working in some other division about what you're working on. You couldn't even be in the lunchroom and be like, hey, how are things going over there in the project? You can't even.
Yeah, a lawyer's right beside you.
That's right. They follow you around no matter where you go. Anyway, so we'll see what happens in this case. I'm sure that there will be a defense mounted, and we'll see what happens. But I'm guessing Apple probably has some pretty strong evidence, possibly emails, messages, who knows what they have, that they're going to be able to draw on.